Hello everyone, here's our personal expenses tracker application. First we will copy the address of the file to run the code. So for that we are using Anaconda prompt. In this first we have to open the file location as we have already done it. We will now run the python app.py file. After executing, a link will be displayed. We have to click the link which will direct to our web app. Here's an overview of our web app. Now we will click on sign up and then enter the details and click on create account. After creating the account, the login page will be displayed. After logging in, we can see a dashboard. Now let's add expenses. Now we have to fill date, expense name and amount, pay mode and category. After entering the details, click on add. Here's a list of expenses which we have added. We can also modify expenses by clicking on the edit button. Once we are done with our editing, we can update it. Now we can also set limit to avoid over expenses. We can also view the reports of our expenses as shown here. Finally, by clicking on the logout option, we will be redirected to our home page.